Well, hi guys, it's time for another field trip because somebody asked me for some food deals. So we have to come visually and hunt those down, and you want to know what we found. So like and share the video on your way in and show the video all the love. Let it play to the end, let those ads play through, leave a 3-word comment. All those things are so important. It keeps us in the YouTube algorithm, and that keeps us out there so we can help everybody. So please do that stuff for us. Please and thank you. Love you bunches. Alright, if you're new here, well, this is a field trip where we're in the store hunting down the deals that were requested. So, if you like deals, look below, hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and I make sure you get one every day. And, yeah, save you tons of money. Everybody, come on in. We got requests so far for some baby deals and for some food deals. And not everybody needs baby deals as much as they need food deals, so we're going to start with the food deals and then we'll do a baby deal. First, let's start with this right here. 3 for $5 on the Dr. Pepper 7-Up and RC Cola and A&W root beer. So if you drink those 2 liters, they're on sale 3 for $5. And of course, we still have our 3 for $15 Coke products, and I sure hope they plan on restocking because they're down to 1 of what I need. And that is a fabulous price. That's a savings of $11 right out the gate. Now, not everything is cheaper at the Dollar General. And how you save the best and the most money is actually spending planned shopping trips to maybe like one day you're going to go to the regular grocery store, get your meat and certain products that are cheaper there, and your fresh veggies, because most Dollar Generals don't have fresh veggies. And you might not like Dollar General's milk or their eggs, you know what I mean? So, shop around for those kind of things. Walmart might not be your cheapest, but then again, it might be. It might be Kroger's or Harps, depending on if you have them and if you have their app. And then they will be some weeks where what we have at Dollar General is cheaper than any of those stores. And that's why following these deals are important. And then sometimes their everyday price is just as cheap. And since they're local and they're right there, it saves you time and money. So let's talk about... I do not see any Activia yogurts. Alright. We don't have any Activia yogurts. There is urns for the Activia yogurts. Multi-packs. It's a 4-pack. We're not saving no money on eggs, are we? $5.25. Y'all take that $5.25 this spring and buy a chicken. No, really. Go to Harbor or Tractor Supply and you can buy a chick. Alright, raise it, give it some corn, and you'll have some laid eggs in like 6 months. Alright. Let's see what kind of deals and meals that we can make and scenarios to save us money. Like I said, not everything is cheaper here, but some things are. And one of the things that are is the Armour hot dogs. So if you do hot dogs, the Armour hot dog, as far as the hot dog goes, is a good hot dog. And the other thing about these, if the price is comparable even to like your grocery store, on Saturday you're going to save 5 off on these same items. You might not save that at your store. Okay, so keep that in mind as well. Now these are some ideas. These little seasoned chicken packages for $2.50. There's enough chicken in there for 2 servings or for 2 people. So any of these chickens that you could get, and you could mix them with the cheese ravioli for $2.50 and some Alfredo sauce. Yeah. So for $6, $7, you could have a very nice chicken meal for $7. Now, when it comes to the cereal, this is where Dollar General outshines pretty much anybody. If you go to or to Walmart, you're still not going to find cereal as cheap as this with the offers and coupons that we have here. Okay, for instance, right now we've got the Captain Crunch Vanilla Frost, something new, but it's on sale, 2 for $6, and you've got a coupon for $1 off, so it'd be 2 for $5. Now they have the giant size boxes. It's 3 for $6 on the Oops Berries. I wonder if that will work. That coupon will work with the Oops Berries for 3 for $6. Captain Crunch Life. I think it works on all of them, so all of them are on sale 3 for $6. So 3 for $6, you'll be getting 3 for $5 with your coupon. So like I said, this kind of stuff is where Dollar General kind of excels when it comes to, well, junk food, snacks, cereals. I have found my better deals at Dollar General. Now, when it comes to things like oatmeal and stuff like that, well, you can get that cheaper at the grocery store and at Walmart. But some things, like if we have good coupons, like these Nature Valley bars, okay, these are 2 for $5, and they're regularly, if they're not on sale, they are $10 for 2. So get the protein ones, and it's an awesome deal. Classico Alfredo sauce, we were just talking about that, 2 for $5, okay? All pasta and your Clover Valley pasta are the same price. So yeah, we're gonna pick up Barilla pasta because it's on sale for $1.75. So, and that's the best pasta off the shelf of late. Okay. And your spaghetti sauce for the Classico is also 2 for $5. Well, this stuff right here used to be cheap, but let me tell you how you can extend it a little bit. A noodle is pretty much a noodle. They may have different textures, but most of the time the noodle is the same. The seasonings are different. So depending on what noodles and seasonings that you may like, these look like these are new. These are spicy picante noodles. Okay, all you gotta do is add a little bit of meat with this. This is seafood, spicy seafood flavor. Get some cooked shrimp for like $4 for the bag, and put them in here. Okay, these ones are $1.15, and it shows you can simply use leftovers for this. Get some leftovers in there. Now let's see, you've got 75-cent earns on your Lipton soups up there, and your onion soup makes a good soup starter, or a addition to making a meatloaf or meatballs. Now your chunky soups, we've got these 3 for $5, but I want to tell you, the steak and potato, make you a pie crust, put this in a pie crust. You can make individual pies, or you can make like a big pie and serve this up. The sirloin burger goes excellent over rice. This is $1 a container. This is an excellent deal. And these are just like the hash browns that you get from the Waffle House. So if you like those hash browns, this is it, and you get them for $1. And they're really quick and easy to cook. The canned chicken breast, okay, it's 2 for $5.95, or 1 for $3.25. You take one of those and you mix it with the $1 yellow rice. It makes a great chicken and rice meal, okay? Or if you like these already cooked ones, you can use one of these for $1.35. And of course, The north sides now are $1.65, but Clover Valley does have their version for $1. And when it comes to that kind of stuff, I would imagine they're pretty much the same. Now we do have some really good coupons. We have $1 off the Jif, and my deal is if you can afford the 2 for $8 Jif, or even the $2.95, because you need peanut butter and jelly, you can do the goober. It's grape jelly and peanut butter. You've got $1 off that's working on this. It's going to make that $2.75, and you have both of these for $2.75 for peanut butter and jelly. Now, I hate to say this, but the old standby Kraft mac and cheese. We have the Clover Valley for 95 cents, and really, regular Kraft mac and cheese is $1.40. Look at the SpongeBob and the white mac and cheese. Those are $1.25. Don't know what they think the difference is, but I'm going definitely for those. Now, we do still have the teriyaki noodles with the north sides. Yeah, they're both teriyaki noodles. These are $4, $5 for 2, and I think we have a $3 off still. I think that's still working. So that would make those $1 a piece. So, win a deal. Remember, we were just talking about the noodles. 4 for $5 on the pastaroni up there. That's a good deal. And of course, with the pastaroni, all you got to do is add some sort of meat, like chicken. We also have the Dole fruit on sale, 2 for $5. This is a really good deal because these things are normally $6.90. So you're saving $1.90. No coupons needed. And that gives you 8 packages of the fruit, or the fruit parfaits, peaches and cream parfait, or the mixed fruit and gelatins, for a little less than, or a little more than $1 a piece. Alright guys, we're going to hop in the video real quick because this was all about how can I save money with my groceries. And as I said, you might have to shop 2 stores. You might have to take 2 days, or you might have to take 1 day. Make it a day with the kiddos. While you're at DG, give them the free Wayno bar that you got. Make it a little day of it. Pack you some sandwiches in the car. Make a little DG picnic if you have to. But if you're shopping by yourself, and it's much easier if you can do this, this is what we're doing. We're going to do 3 different transactions. And these are the transactions, okay? Tried not to make the video too long, but, sometimes it can't be helped. 2 of those chicken strips, 1 of those cheese raviolis, 2 of the Classico sauce, 2 of the Barilla pastas, 3 of the Captain Crunch. 1 of those Captain Crunch must be that frosted Arctic Captain Crunch, okay? And then 2 of the other Captain Crunches, and then that $1 coupon will apply. 2 Nature Valley protein bars. This is excellent emergency food and better for the kids than cookies. You are at $27. $7 is going to come off. You got 12 items for 20 items. $20, excuse me. Next up, the north sides. If they have them, pick up 2 of those north single sides. You got a $3 off coupon. Frozen broccoli, pick up the big one for $2. 3 of the chunky soups. 3 Kraft mac and cheese. Now, if you don't like the Kraft mac and cheese, but you do like mac and cheese, go to the dollar aisle, pick up the Velveeta cheeses, or they may have them on your shelf in a 3-pack. But they're usually $1 a package. You can even do the jalapeno. Since we're doing Barilla pasta, make sure you pick up a box of elbows in one of the 2 boxes of pasta that you picked up. You're going to pick up that double can of chicken. You're going to pick up the yellow rice and the goober peanut butter and jelly. You're at $26.75. You got $9 coming off of this transaction, leaving you out of pocket of $17.75 for 13 items. Now, to do this like this, you can do it on 1 account, but you're going to need 3 5 off 25s, 1 digital, 2 papers. Or you can do 3 separate accounts if you want to. Now, Wonder Muffins, $3.25. You got $1 coming off of those. They also have bagels for 50 cents more. 3 of the Chips Ahoy cookies for $9. Okay? You got a $3 off coming off. 1 of those beef strips, like we did the chicken, for $2.50. A El Paso cheesy rice, an El Paso tortillas, and 2 El Paso beans, and 1 Bueno bar. If you have not used it yet, if you have, just find you another item to replace it, because we are right there at $25.65. Okay? Keep an eye on that math, because we are so close with this transaction. Now, coming off should be $5. Now, you might get a dollar earn. Make sure you have that dollar El Paso earn clipped as well, because sometimes this glitches when it's a multiple item coupon. Okay? So, have it clipped just in case. Now, your total for out of pocket for this one is $15.65, and it's 10 items. Now, note, look for the holiday Oreos. The frosted ones are on clearance for $1.98, and the red filled ones are $2.48, and they have dollar earns, and they do apply to the Nabisco $3 coupon. So there you go, guys. Those are the scenarios to help you save money on your food, because we are spending $53.40 on 3 transactions. We're getting 35 items. We're saving $26, and each item equals out to be $1.52 an item, and that is a winner chicken dinner. And you got breakfast and you got meals. You just need to add some milk and eggs and maybe a little bit more protein. So you have enough, I think, there with this for $53.40 for at least 4 or 5 meals of each breakfast and lunch and dinner. So, or dinner. 2 meals a day. So, okay, guys, we're calling it a night with our little field trip. I hope you enjoyed the store walk around and found you some deals, give you some ideas, and like I said, I'll implant some scenarios in the video, and there's more coming, and you know you want to know. So, see you next video.